Exercise 3.5. First question. Find the LCM of the following numbers by prime factorization method. First question, 12 and 15. So here we are going to find out the LCM by prime factorization method. So for 12 we are going to see the factors. The prime factorization for 12 is 2 into 2 into 3, and for 15 prime factorization is 3 into 5 here. So we are going to see first the common factors here. After that we are going to see the extra factors. The common factors are the number 3 here, and the extra factors 2 into 2 into 5 here. And when you are going to multiply, you get 3 into 2 6, 6 into 10 60. So this will be the LCM for number 12 and 15 by prime factorization method. Next 15 and 25. Now for 15 prime factorization is 3 into 5, and for 25 prime factorization is 5 into 5. And first we are going to see the common factor, that will be 5 here, into the extra factors, that is 3 into 5 here. So that will be the product 75. So this will be the LCM for 15 and 25. Next third 14 and 21. The prime factorization for 14 is 2 into 7, and for 21 the prime factorization is 3 into 7. First we see the common factors, that is 7 here, into the extra factors, that is 2 into 3. So that will be 7 into 6, 42. Next fourth 18 and 27. For 18 prime factorization is 2 into 3 into 3, and for 27 the prime factorization is 3 into 3 into 3. And we see the common factors, that is 3 and 3 here. So first we write the common factors multiplied by the extra factors, that is 2 into 3, and we get here 54. Next 48, 56 and 72. Now for 48 the prime factorizations are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. For 56 the prime factorizations 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. For 72 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So now we see the common factors. One is 2 here, another 2 here. Next 3 is the common factors. So we write first common factors. Then we go for the extra factors here. That is here 2 here, 7 and another 3 here. So when you multiply this, you get 1008. Next 26, 14 and 91. So for 26 the common prime factorizations is 2 into 3, and for 14 2 into 7, and for 91 7 into 13 here. And we see the common factors, that is one is 2 here, 7 here, and another is 13 here. And here when you multiply this, when you multiply 2 into 7 into 13, and we get answer 182 here. Second question, find the LCM of the following numbers by division method. So first one, 84, 112, 196. So here we are going to see by division method. So here we divide it by 2, we get here 42, 56, 98. Again we divide it by 2, so here 21, 28, 49. So we divide it by 7 here, we get 3, 4, 7. Next it won't go with any common number here, so we just multiply the divisors and reminders here. So divisors 2 into 7 into the reminders 3 into 4 into 7 here. So when you multiply this, you get 2, 3, 5, 2. Next second question, 102, 119, 153. So here we divide it by 17 here, we get 6, here 7, here 9. Again we divide it by 3 here, it goes with 2, here 7, here 3. So no common factor is there, so we multiply the divisors and reminders here, that is 17 into 3 into the reminders 2 into 7 into 3 here, and we get the product 2142. Next third one, 45, 99, 132, 165. So we divide it by 3 here, we get 15, 33, 44, 55. We divide it by 11 here, so here it goes 15, here it goes with 3, 4 and 5 here. Next it goes with 3 here, 5 here, 1 here, 4 here, 5. Next it goes with 5 here, so 1, 1, 4, 1. So multiplying the divisors and reminders here, that is 3 into 11 into 3 into 5 into 4, and we get 1980. Third question, find the smallest number which when added to 5 is exactly divisible by 12, 14 and 18. So here the number how we are going to find out here, in the sense we take the LCM of 12, 14 and 18 here. So 12, 14, 18. So when you take the LCM, it goes with 2, 7, 9, and here it goes with 3 here, 2, 7, 3, and there is no common factor. Now we just multiply the divisors and remainders. 2 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 3, so that will be 252 here. So this is the number which is divisible by 12, 14 and 18. But in the question they asked what is the smallest number which when added to 5. So the number will be x plus 5 here, that is equal to 252 here, and x is equal to 252 minus 5, so that will be 247. So this is the number which we are going to add to 5, and we get the number which is divisible by 12, 14 and 18. Fourth question, find the greatest 3-digit number which when divisible by 75, 45 and 60 leaves no remainder, and the second is the remainder 4 in each case. So here we take the LCM of 75, 45 and 60. So we get the 3-digit number here which gives no remainder. So first we take the LCM for 75, 45, 60 here. So it goes with 5. So now 15, 15 here, here 9 here, here 12 here. So next it goes with 3 here. So now 5, 3, 4. So no common factor here. So we multiply divisors and remainders. So when you multiply 5 into 3, 5 into 3 into 4, 15 into 15 into 4, so that gives 900. So this is the greatest 3-digit number which when divisible by 75, 45 and 60, which gives no remainder here. And second question, the remainder 4 in each case. So when you want the remainder, then we are going to add plus 4 to the number here. So here 900 plus 4, when you are going to see, you get the number 904 here. So this is the number when you are going to divide by 75, 45 and 60, which gives a remainder 4 here in each case. Fifth question, there are 3 measuring tapes of 64 centimeters, 72 centimeters and 96 centimeters. What is the least length that can be measured by any of these tapes exactly? So here we take the numbers 64, 72, 96. So we take the LCM for these numbers. So it will go with 2 here, 32, 36, 48. Next it go with 2, 16, 18, 24. Next 2, 8, 9, 12, 2, 4, 9, 6, 2, go with 2, 9, 3 here. Now it go with 3 here, 2, 3, 1. So now we multiply the divisors and reminders here. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 here. So when you multiply, you get the number 576. Sixth question. Prasad and Raju met in the market on first day of this month. Prasad goes to the market every third day and Raju goes to the market every fourth day. On what day of the month will they meet again? So here this is the general calendar for a month here. So in the question they have mentioned that on the first day they both met. That means Prasad and Raju met here. So this is the day they met, Prasad and Raju. And Prasad goes to the market every third day. So every third day from here, that means on 4th, 7th, 10th and 13th, and next 16th, next 19th, so on. So this is Prasad, and Raju goes to the market every fourth day. So here they met on first onwards we have to count the fourth day. So every fourth day, that means fifth, here ninth, here 13th, and after that 17th, and after that 21, so on. So here we are going to see which is the common days for both of them. Means here we are going to see on 13th day. So 13th day they are going to meet again. So this is the manual way of calculating the problem here. So now we are going to see a logical way. That means by LCM method we are going to find out the answer here. So here on every third and fourth day, that means the numbers given are 3 and 4 here, and we are going to find out the LCM for 3 and 4. So there is no common factor here, so we just multiply 3 and 4, we get 12. And we are going to see on the first day. Okay, so this is the first day and we are going to add the 12 days. So 12 days plus the first day, that gives 13th day. So on 13th day, Raju and Prasad will meet again in this month.